1 in 5 people don't like their job and have no career path.
That's 23.8 million people, but it doesn't need to be that way.
America is facing a huge shortage of skilled construction craft professionals.
2.8 million new skilled workers will be needed between now and 2028.
Will you join the ranks of fellow hardworking members of construction projects in an industry that consistently ranks in the top 5 of industries with more self-made millionaires than any other?
Build your career. Start building your career today.
When we think of construction, a lot comes to mind.
Is it drilling, painting, a hammer and nails, using simple tools to build a shed in the backyard, or using more complex tools to build something a little more, well, complicated?
What about construction technology, machinery in construction, the operation of robots to build for us, drones, a portable circular saw, virtual reality?
Construction has been around for millennia, but even in the last decade, the field is evolving rapidly, now offering highly skilled, high-paying technical jobs where workers can travel across the country, refine their craft, and give back to their communities. Construction offers vast career options to students right out of high school, with opportunities to learn the role while collecting a paycheck.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves. To get a better idea of what modern-day construction is, let's break it down into a few main categories, beginning with
residential construction, which is the building or renovation of any home, like a single-family home that gets built routinely around the world.
But what we're really here to talk about are the different types of
non-residential construction, which can be broken into 3 main types. Commercial, often thought of as private, industrial, which mostly entails manufacturing, and infrastructure, or public works construction. To give you an idea of what this looks like in practice, let's go over some examples that fall under non-residential construction, beginning with
vertical construction, which includes construction projects that stretch vertically. Think apartment buildings, office buildings, and skyscrapers. Then there's the industrial construction we mentioned, which can be highly specialized projects, including factories to manufacture goods, warehouses used to ship them, and power plants to fuel it all.
How about some horizontal building projects? In infrastructure highway heavy or utility construction, where we're building out instead of up.
Well, that sounds cool. Like what?
Well, like everything, including the roads you drive on. But underneath what we see above ground, there's an entire city running underground. Fiber optic cables connecting our Wi-Fi, water being taken to our home faucets, waterways like canals, ports for commercial and private use, and harbors. The list goes on and on.
Oh, got it. And remember commercial construction? These are projects that are not only big, they're everywhere. If you were born in a hospital, bought the clothes you're wearing in a mall, even if you ordered them online, they probably came from a distribution warehouse that fell in this category. This division also includes one of my favorite construction projects, sports stadiums or arenas. If you've seen your favorite team play in one, you're already familiar with this type of construction. Then there's public works construction, which encompasses our public buildings like schools and libraries, highways and utilities, which we'll discuss more shortly.